move to the number 6 called named graph in this chapter 2 and point 3 RDF. It's still the more is from the concept and the definition perspective to introduce that. But before we move to this chapter, you remember in the last video is we talk about this blank node, and we have gave you the way you can visualize that. And I also can show you is how you can query in the local. So you remember is we have one just a wild query called select everything where just the subject, predicate, and object. You can use this as our way to retrieve all the things from your the knowledge graph or your ontology. So let's try to compare what's these tools difference. We already know the difference from the visualization, less from the SPARQL query. So we use this arc, and you just use this hyphen data and ex040 TTL. Then we point to this query is q.rq. Then we will list down this 040. So you can see here it's a very clear on our 8 triple. So every triple has the same subject and different predicate with the object. If you compare for that is when we define that 4 object under our blank node called address, then you can see here. Now you have this total 9 the predicate the triples, and one of the triple in the upper part is this address. So here is you can see is this point address, and this and from this underscore B0 is referred to this 4. We can see that is the next level of the triples linked through this B0. So from this one is you may consider is if we write down some the additional the query the statements from here, and we refer to underscore B0, then that should be able to give us those specific results, because this blank node is actually using the standard triples formats as a subject, predicate, and the object way. So as long as you have that triple, then you can use the SPARQL to do the query. But I will not mention that for now, because if I go to our mind map, so from here, if you go to open days, you may see some linkage. So this linkage is coming to the later chapter. So one chapter is go to this chapter 3-4, searching further in the data. At this chapter, we will talk about how have this blank node give some temporary way you can query. And chapter 3-5 is basically we will introduce a certain statement or command in SPARQL to search a blank node. So we will try to talk about that in these 2 chapters. And for this video, we will talk about the name graph. It's also not too much the new or specific one. It's just you can consider named graph or another way to group triple together. So you can think about this way. So this underscore the B0 is already a way that you group the address into 4 additional triple. But we call that as our blank node. Named graph is similar. So you want to have a certain group of the triple, and you give them the specific name. The purpose for that is once you assign a name to a set of the triple like that address, these 4 triples, you can then assign metadata to that. That metadata can difference to the overall metadata. So whenever you want to make more the precise these metadata arrangements, you can use this named graph way to make the aggregating of your the knowledge graph. In our RDF database, named graph is what we call a subset of our data that has been given a unique label. So here I gave you a link. So this link is from the RDFox. This is our the Oxford semantic.tech file. This specifically talking the naming of this named graph and give you our sample for that. So let's see this sample. So Alice has job, Bob has job, and Charles has job. So these are 3 job title. And the following data in the named graph. This is the first named graph called official record. Second is Alice, Bob, Charles, they have some likes. So this is the survey answer. Now what we use the named graph is we have this graph, the keywords, and then use this the named graph name. And then from that is we can then do this query or matching, and we select from this 2 named graph and do this. We can also use a variable from this graph and this question mark G, then refer to both named graph. So this one you can see is once you have certain the names to our set of the triple, then you can apply the metadata, then you can give the different rules to do the query. Again, within this chapter 2.3, we also just give you some definition for that. You can see from the mind map, we also have some link. So one link is go to here. So on the chapter 3.10, we will talk about the query statement about the named graph. And also from this chapter 6.5, the updating data with query, we will talk more about this named graph, because named graph is our subset of your total triple store. Then we can drop graph, we can rename, we can copy, move, we can delete, replace. So everything is you have now consider you have an umbrella of a set of the triple. You can do the change, update, and do certain configuration apply to this group of triple, while at the same time not impact other group of the triples. So that is the advantage for you to use our named graph. Okay, so until now, I already finished this chapter 0203. So from next video, we will go to the next one, 0204. So reuse and creating vocabulary. So RDF schema, or in short is RDFS and all. So see you in that chapter. Bye for now.